that Ramesh was not a bad father. He worked hard, paid school fees on time, and worried deeply about his children's future. But there was one thing he did too often. He shouted. Every small mistake felt big to him. A spilled glass of water, a low test score, shoes left outside. His voice would rise before his thoughts could slow him down. His son Arav was 10. At first, Arav cried when his father shouted. Then he stopped crying. He stopped talking to one evening. Ramesh noticed something strange. Arav didn't come to him anymore. He didn't share stories from school. When Ramesh asked questions, Arav answered in one word or nodded silently. One day, Arav's teacher called Ramesh to school. She said gently, "Arav is a good child, but he is very quiet. He looks scared to make mistakes." That sentence hit Ramesh hard. That night, Ramesh sat beside Arav's bed and said softly, "Beta, does Papa scare you?" Arav nodded slowly. "When you shout, my heart beats fast. I feel like I'm always wrong." Ramesh felt tears burn his eyes. He realized something painful. His voice had become louder than his love. From that day, Ramesh made a promise. He still corrected Arav, but he lowered his voice. When anger came, he paused. Sometimes he failed, but when he did, he apologized. Slowly, Arav began talking again. Ramesh learned that children don't need loud parents. They need calm ones who listen. Sometimes the strongest parents are the ones who learn to speak softly.